How to remove Facebook account from Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to remove your Facebook account from your Instagram. So for that, all you have to do is just open your Instagram, and after that just simply log into your account. And once you're logged in into your account, just click on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. And over here from the top right corner, just click on these three dot icon from the top right. And after that, just go to the account center from the top. And here you need to scroll down and click on the account section from the bottom. And now you will be able to see your Instagram and your Facebook account together in your account section. And along with the account, you will be able to see the option called remove. So if you want to remove your Facebook account, you just simply have to click on remove from here and just click on the remove account section from the top. And after that, just simply click on continue. And so this way your Facebook account will be removed from your Instagram account simply. So this is basically how you will be able to remove your Facebook account from your Instagram account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.